Hello, I'm Sweet Heavenly Dove and welcome to my channel. Today we have 3 DIYs with one including one with an angel. And I'm part of a wonderful, talented creators collaboration with host DIY Aurelia, host Lily D's Creation, and guest host Gazelle Creative Studio. Make sure you watch everyone's video from the playlist that will be listed down below in the description box. Well, the items we'll be using is the ornaments, a terrarium planter, and some faux snow. As you can see, I'm taking off the tags and I'm cutting off the metal part of the birds. We're just be using one cardinal and glue. And so I'm just going to use some glue to put down and put the faux snow inside. I'll let you listen to some Christmas music until the next part. I'm using hot glue to glue down the cardinal because the regular glue is not strong enough, so I'm using hot glue. So 2 different types of glue, but it's okay. And a ribbon. Of course, all 3 of these items I purchased from Dollar Tree. These are Dollar Tree items, except the glue gun, of course. Well, it's almost completed, and this is multi-purpose. You can hang it on a Christmas tree, you can put on a desktop or a fireplace mantle, anywhere you want to decorate it for it to become more like Christmas. And I do appreciate everyone watching it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, a like. Here's the finished product. And also I want to give out a shout out to 2 people, Nona by Nona's Here and me. Of course, this is our birthday month, so give us a happy birthday. We have DIY number 2. We're using the self-adhesive wall towel, some stars, angel wings, a wood, hectagon, and lights. So let's get started. So first up, I will paint. Just ignore the painting right here. I did the beads, and I'm gonna do the star, and I eventually decide to cover around the hexagon, so there's no need to paint the hexagon. Sorry about that. So I am showing me painting the stars. So I'll be back. now that the stars are dry and so the beads, I decided to put the wall adhesive, and I know you can stick it on, but for some reason it came off because I cut it out of the center and not on the side. So I decided to cover the whole wood part because it was too difficult to try to X-Acto knife out of this hexagon. So I decided to trim it up and make it fit on there and hot glue it. And then we'll go to the next. After I hot glue it, we're going to hot glue it. No, we have another step. After I hot glue it, I'm going to use the lights. And I'm putting the lights around the outside of that wood hexagon. Sweet Heavenly Dove truly appreciates you watching her videos. Yes, me. And please continue. Now we're putting on the stars on each of the corners. So of course there should be 6 stars. And then we'll put the angel wings in the center. But I will say, if I had to do it all over again, this is just me, I would have used the wall towel, the one that has the white and the blue, to bring it out more. But it's a little late now. I decided to use the silver. But like I said, look at it glowing. Look at it glowing. Awesome. It's glowing. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but I wanted to give it, like if it was in the dark and you want to see, it can be hanging on the wall. I think it's a little too heavy for a Christmas tree, but you can do wall decor. We have DIY number 3, and don't forget to watch the playlist of all the talented creators. It will find it at the bottom of the description box. And then we're using the ceramic circles and napkins. I use a very simple Dollar Tree. You can use any kind of napkin or tissue paper. I just wanted to give a Christmas theme, and I wanted to try out the ceramic towels because we always use the wood ones and this and that. So it even has some material on the bottom to hold it steady so it won't slip and slide. So use the Mod Podge, paint Mod Podge, put the napkin. It's nothing simple, nothing complex. It's, you know, some people do theirs perfect, some people don't. I do have a video where I do the napkins on wood pieces, so I'll link the video up here somewhere to let you know, to show you. I'll try to make it at the end somewhere to show you. So I just want to make sure everyone goes back and watch everyone on the playlist for the talented creators collaboration, a wonderful group of individuals who are very talented and lovely people. So make sure you support all of them, give them thumbs up, likes, and subscribe to them. And see, this is the completed look. It's not perfect, but it's gorgeous, and with the Christmas theme. And now we have it with a cup. I just give you a little sample what it looks like with using a mug. And if you wonder about Grinch, I did this. It was a practice run for last year or something like that, or a year before. And I used the Dollar Tree vinyl. I made a better one, added some green to it. But I'm just saying, for this project, well, for the coffee mug project, the Dollar Tree vinyl works. So I just want to thank everyone for watching and subscribing and giving thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. And have a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. I know I'm saying it soon, but these are Christmas DIYs. Thank you.